Hi dear crocheters, our today's video tutorial will be on how to crochet the triple double crochet. Okay, so let's start. First we will make slip knot, chain, here, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the fifth insert our hook, pull up. So we will have 4 loops on the hook. So yarn over, pull through 2, we will have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, we will have another 2 loops left, and then yarn over and pull 1 and 2. Then on the second stitch, insert hook, yarn over, pull up, so we will have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, don't forget to yarn over the hook 2 times. Then in the next stitch, insert it, yarn over, pull up, we will have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, another yarn over hook 2 times, insert hook to the stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over hook 2 times in the last stitch, insert hook, yarn over, pull up, so this is our first row. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then turn our work, yarn over hook 2 times. So this is considered as a triple double crochet. So on the next stitch we will do triple double crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Next stitch. Here we should not forget that on the 4th stitch, on the 4th chain, we have to do the triple double crochet. Then we do chain of 4, yarn over hook 2 times. This is considered as triple double crochet, so we work on the next stitch. So this is our triple double crochet. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumb up, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.